What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see behind me, we have the very lovely Mike Slow Speed, as well as his G82 M4, which looks really good usually, but needs a little bit of love. Wait, hold on. We have to get this. Check this out, guys. Can you read that? Wash me. Now, did you put that or did someone else put that?
I did.
You did it?
I used my clean finger.
So you did that instead of actually washing the car?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, as you can see, I also have my G80 M3, and since he has an M4, I have an M3. We thought we'd go for a little drive. Maybe just do some like POVs and hang out. And
I want to show Eamon what these cars are built to do.
what's that?
Drive, mother.
Oh, it's really sad, guys, but honestly, like, I really haven't driven this car much, which is good and bad. It's good because it's staying really clean. However, we get these cars to drive, so I want to do that more. I have a few cars, so I drive the 330 mostly, the X3 sometimes, and then this thing rarely. So we're gonna change that up today though. We're gonna go for a little drive. So I'll be honest with you guys, I have no idea what's gonna happen. If this video is boring or we don't do anything special, blame him. It's his idea.
Want to see some cool shit. But I'll tell you one thing. The goal is to not end up like this guy. But yeah, man, check that out. Insane.
That's crazy, dude.
Don't try this at home, kids.
All right, guys, so we are in the G80. Let's fire it up. Now, I also brought some radios, so if this guy starts driving too fast, hopefully we can let him know. Yo, Mike.
You ready?
Always. All right, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not actually ready. But yeah, he drove off already. Yo, Mike, hold on. So now, guys, I like to go on cruises and, you know, do POV drives. I try not to do it too often because I feel like sometimes it gets a little repetitive. But if you guys enjoy this type of stuff, definitely let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to go on like cruises with not just me, but also, you know, some friends like Mike and Sticks and all those people. I think if we put on track, activate track, this should all turn off, by the way. So now that won't distract us. We just have the main screen over here. But for now, we're just gonna drive to a nicer spot with some nicer roads. I'm just following Mike, so hopefully he leads us in the right direction. This car definitely grips the road. I'm not even pushing it anywhere near what it could do. You can see Mike is way far past me. Oh, there he is.
You know why I pulled over?
Because I was speeding, officer.
Damn, that's so sexy, bro.
The screen, right?
That is sexy. You ready?
Yeah. I see him with the GoPros. He's got the camera back there too. I'll try to keep up. Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw that, but Mike literally peeled out and his GoPro went flying. So, let's see if we can get it. Hopefully it's not broken. By the way, quick view of the G80. This thing is beautiful. Anyways, let's get Mike's camera. Oh, it's shattered. Does it still work? Alright, let's see if we can find Mike now because I have his broken GoPro, which he said was already broken, so I don't feel as bad. Not that it was my fault, but you know. Guys, I pulled into this country club just to turn around, and my goodness, I see why people talk about country clubs like they're not cheap. I kind of fit in with the G80, right? Little did they know, I'm actually broke. All right, let's find Mike.
I gotta take you for a ride in this thing, man.
Bro, as long as you don't kill me, I'll go with you.
You.
Is there a good spot where I can just park the G80 without like...
No, bro, this whole neighborhood's good.
No, I don't mean like I feel like, bro, we don't blend in over here.
Oh, no, we absolutely don't.
Even if we got expensive cars, we got the hoodlum expensive cars. Like I said, we're gonna find a spot to park this G80. We're gonna hop in the G82, and that should be more exciting because if you guys have seen some of my old videos about Mike's M4, that thing is a beast. It's a monster. It's not just stock again, it is tuned. But yeah, that should be fun. So still stick around, guys. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect in this video. Whenever I go with Mike somewhere, I never know what to expect. So we're just winging it. I mean, look, I'll be honest with you guys. This car, although right now I still can't push it, just the handling, like the way that it grips the road, it feels so, to me, it feels very unnatural because I'm so used to cars that just don't grip the road like this. And then once they do, they, like a modified car on coilovers and all that, it just doesn't feel the same as like a car straight out of the factory. It just almost feels like it doesn't want to grip, but it is gripping. I don't know how to explain it because the car isn't that stiff. It's stiff, but it's not that stiff, but yet it just grips the road. I'm going slow right now, but even on this turn, like it just grips. It feels planted. I don't really feel much body roll. Like it's hugging that road. That's my thumbnail right there. From a dig though, only from a dig.
No, only from a dig, I hear you.
Yeah, all right, I'm down. Just kidding, guys. I have to do this break-in service thing. When we get there though, I'm definitely gonna hold Mike to that because I think that would be cool. A rear-wheel drive tuned M4 versus an all-wheel drive stock M3 from a dig. From a roll, it's over. Like he's gonna demolish me. But from a dig, I'm still gonna lose, but who knows? Maybe I'll lose in style. All right, so we're gonna leave the M3 over here. Probably lock this thing. Although in this area, you're probably fine. There's literally like Porsches and Lamborghinis driving around. Yo, was that a Performante that drove by us?
I don't know. I know it was really nice.
Yeah,
it was the white one, right?
Yeah, it was the white one. All right, anyways, I'm gonna hop inside the M4.
Oh, you got my GoPro?
Yeah.
Yo, this thing takes the most amount of spills ever. Look at the front.
Bro, it went flying.
Yeah? I was mid burnout, so like it was
Bro,
was like
whoever was in here sleeping.
Probably me.
Sure you guys weren't doing something else in the seat? Am I gonna?
Nah, I'm too fat for that, bro. So the idea is we're not gonna go fast. I just want to show you handling. This is rear wheel drive. Some argue that the rear wheel drive ones handle better than all wheel drive. That's my take on it. But who knows? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh.
Damn, I would have killed it, but you see how it dives in though? It's like it's.
Yeah, I saw that. I felt it. I felt it more than I saw it.
Yeah. It's like you're on it, man, and you don't have to worry about anything, man. You just like bumps, nothing. A little bit of brake, just on it. And you see how I'm not speeding, I'm not like going crazy running on people's bumpers.
Yeah.
I'm just taking the corners at a really good speed.
Yeah.
If there was no one in front of me, I'd nail it and show you. It gets even a lot more scary.
Thank you, Tesla.
Yeah, no,
Thank you. All right, guys, and with that said, Mike is pulling out. He is heading home. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I didn't film the entire drive with Mike because he filmed it for his channel. So if you guys want to see that, go check out his channel. He definitely went crazy, which is nothing new for him. But with that said, guys, if you want to see more videos about this car, if you guys want to see more videos about pretty much any other car that I have on the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Drop this video a like if you liked it. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.